Hi guys, I just want to say that I feel kind of obsessed with my new latte makeup. I just love how beautiful this eye tint is from Armani. It's just the perfect nude. I'm currently walking on my way to meet with my girlfriends. We are going to have a fika here at Rosendals Trädgård, which is one of my favorite garden cafe here in Stockholm. And I just want to give you a quick view of here. It's so cozy and beautiful. It's such a beautiful day today. Going to get some of my favorite fudge. This is one of the oldest fudge store in Stockholm and they have so many tastes. Have to get some to try out. This store has my absolute favorite olives and every time I pass by I just have to go in here and get some. And I just love the interior here, it's so cute. Oh my god! Cheesecake och macho. Hello guys, I just want to do some quick unboxing from my makeup session earlier and show you what I got. So first one is this Giorgio Armani eye tint, which is matte that I feel absolutely obsessed about. It's in the perfect nude color, as you can see, and it is the easiest eye tint, so creamy. It's so easy to apply on, and when you blend it out you just get the most natural and beautiful eye makeup, so really enjoy this. And next is this illuminating oversized face powder in warm gold from Chanel, and I'm so excited to show you because it's so nice. Just look at it, so beautiful. And the shimmer is like, you get like really the goddess shimmer when you put it all over your face. It's very natural and subtle, so you may not see in the camera, but it's very natural and feels really luxurious. And then next I decided to try a new AHA peel mask because the one that I'm having at home at the moment that I use a lot is running low, and I wanted to try on this one. This is a lot more pricier. However, I really wanted to try this out as I heard a lot of good stuff about this, and it actually comes with this brush, so really looking forward to try this out.
Thinking about the way we
out to Chanel to try out some bags. Love this burgundy color on you. Since the latest release at Chanel, it has been pretty empty. We decided to go and check out the Copenhagen store next week instead.
Vänta, vad är det? En elefant med banan. Gud vad söt. Och en liten löv på denna. Koala. Gud vad gullig. Och den då? Vad är det? Nej, vad är det? Nej, kanin va? Eller? Nej. Ja, det är en pingvin. Gud vad kul.
Jag tror det var 8000.
Så gud, jag dör. Oh my god, vad gott. Alltså
난 돌아가면서 기억이 하나둘 gang 없어져 그래도 남아 있을 걸 너가 말들 난 안 잊을래 Pretend I'm fine alone but then that would just make me feel like I don't know Thinking about the way
It's pie o'clock. This is a traditional Swedish pie that my boyfriend just made. This is broccoli and feta cheese pie. And this other one is probably one of my favorite pie, which is Västerbotten pie. It's the most traditional Swedish pie you can get. And it's basically made of Västerbotten cheese, which is so good. Wow, so thin. Mmm. I guess the coolest thing about this hotel room is the toilet. I have this control, and if I press, for instance, voila. Just another flush. Alltså, ja, det här är vegetariska. Visst är det den som är...
Från startupet?
Ja, från startupet. Som är den speciella fermenterade svamp.
Ja, det är...
Alltså, oh my god, det ser så gott ut.
Han som grunden Nova har medgrundare till denna.
Så gott. Måste smaka. Oj, det börjar regna.
Wow, this bag is so glamorous. Look at that. Wow, a true collector's piece.
Oh my god. Oh my god. These are so nice.
Yeah, but the wood is like skin color.
No, maybe it's a little bit more too yellowish. I don't know. Is this seasonal for this?
Yeah, this is from the current collection.
Oh, okay.
So cute. I really like this.
Yeah, it's nice.
이제는 더 이상은 숨길 수 없잖아. 내일 더 아껴줄 거야. 안아줄 거야. Where I'm meant to be, you can't deny. 내일 더 다가갈 거야. 사랑해줄 거야. You're my sunshine after rain. 네가 좋아. 무지개 빈 하늘을 봐. 또 푸르른 하늘과 Silver lining in the clouds. 바람결에 흔들리는 너의 향기 햇살 같은 눈밑 작은 점 하나것이
Hi guys, it's currently evening now and I'm on my way to surprise my parents. I know that my mom has been wanting me to visit for quite some while. I thought that it would be funnier this way. And I brought so much things with me. My favorite fruits and favorite olives and a lot of good stuff. So I'm looking forward to spend the weekend here.
Hallå!